Hey everyone, welcome back to Money Mount, where we help you scale new heights in business and personal growth. Today, we're diving deep into how you can build a powerful personal brand using AI tools and smart habits. Whether you're an entrepreneur, creator, or professional, AI is here to make branding easier and more effective than ever. Let's get started. Number 1, AI-powered brand building tools. First up, let's talk about AI-powered tools that can supercharge your brand. These tools will help you create, analyze, and optimize content like a pro. AI-driven content creation tools. If content is king, AI is the ultimate strategist. Jasper, Copy.ai, and Rytr can help you generate blog posts, social media captions, and even engaging emails, all at lightning speed. No more writer's block. AI-powered image and video generators need stunning visuals but don't have design skills. No problem. AI tools like DALL-E, Stable Diffusion, and Midjourney can create professional images and videos in seconds. It's like having a personal designer at your fingertips. AI-powered brand analysis tools. Want to stay ahead of your competition? Tools like Brand24, Brandwatch, and Brand Sentiment can analyze trends, track brand mentions, and show you what's working in your industry. Data-driven decisions, better branding. Number 2, habitual brand building. AI is powerful, but habits are what make a brand truly successful. Let's talk about key branding habits you should adopt right now. Consistent content creation. Ever notice how top brands always show up? That's because consistency builds trust. Create a content calendar and stick to it. Whether it's daily, weekly, or bi-weekly, just be reliable. Strategic engagement. Don't just post and ghost. Engage with your audience, reply to comments, ask questions, and make them feel heard. Brands that interact build loyal communities. Network building. Your network is your net worth. Connect with influencers and professionals in your niche. AI can even help by suggesting the right people to follow and collaborate with. Number 3, harnessing AI for content optimization. Now let's maximize our content impact with AI-driven optimization. AI-driven keyword research, SEO matters. AI tools like Ahrefs, SEMrush, and Ubersuggest can find the best keywords for your niche, helping your content rank higher and get seen by the right audience. AI-powered analytics, what's working and what's not. Track performance with Google Analytics and AI-powered insights. Adjust your strategy based on real data, not guesswork. Personalized content recommendations, AI, helps you understand your audience's interests. Platforms like Netflix and YouTube use AI to suggest content. You can do the same for your brand by analyzing user behavior. Number 4, building your brand identity with AI. Now let's shape your brand's identity using AI, AI-powered persona development. Understanding your audience is key. AI tools can create detailed buyer personas, helping you craft content that truly resonates with your ideal audience. AI-powered logo and branding design. Want a sleek, professional look? AI-powered tools like Looka and Tailor Brands can generate unique logos and branding elements in minutes. AI-powered voice assistants, AI assistants like Siri, Alexa, and Google Assistant can automate tasks, schedule posts, and even help you improve accessibility. Use AI to work smarter, not harder. Actionable steps for success. All right, before we wrap up, here's your quick action plan to build your brand with AI. Define your target audience and their needs. Identify your unique value proposition. What sets you apart? Craft a clear and concise brand message that speaks directly to your audience. Use AI tools to streamline content creation, optimize visibility, and engage with your audience effectively. Stay consistent and keep refining your brand strategy based on data and feedback. That's a wrap. AI is revolutionizing brand building, and now it's your turn to leverage these tools and habits for success. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more value-packed content, and drop a comment with your favorite AI tool. See you in the next one. Stay ambitious and keep growing.